Better late than never. Better late than never. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed. Hey there and welcome to today's video tutorial, where we're going to be delving into the meaning and application of the popular proverb, better late than never. You might have heard this phrase before, but have you ever thought about its true meaning and how you can apply it to your life to bring luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed? Well, that's what we're going to explore today, so let's get started. First, let's break down the proverb itself. Better late than never essentially means that it's better to do something, even if it's delayed, than to not do it at all. This phrase has been around for centuries, and it's a reminder that it's never too late to start something, make a change, or achieve a goal. It's a powerful message of hope and perseverance that can make a real difference in our lives. Now that we understand the meaning behind the phrase, let's talk about how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed. One way we can do this is by recognizing that life is full of opportunities, and it's never too late to seize them. Maybe you've always wanted to learn a new skill, start a business, or travel the world. If you haven't done it yet, don't worry. The time is now to take action and make those dreams a reality. Remember, better late than never. Another way to apply the proverb in our lives is by acknowledging that setbacks and failures are a natural part of life. We all face challenges and make mistakes, but it's important to remember that it's never too late to get back on track. If you've experienced a setback or failure, don't let that define you or hold you back. Instead, use it as a learning experience and a chance to grow. Keep moving forward and remember that it's better to try and fail than to never try at all. The idea of a better late than never can also help us overcome procrastination. We often put things off because we're afraid of failure, or we think we don't have enough time or resources to accomplish our goals. But the reality is, there's never going to be a perfect time to start something new. The longer we wait, the more opportunities we miss. So instead of waiting for the perfect moment, take action now and remember that it's better to start late than never start at all. Additionally, applying this proverb to our lives can help us develop a more positive mindset. By focusing on the idea that it's never too late to make a change or achieve a goal, we can cultivate a sense of optimism and resilience. This mindset can help us overcome obstacles, stay motivated, and ultimately, achieve success. So, when you find yourself doubting your abilities or feeling discouraged, remind yourself that it's better late than never and keep pushing forward. Lastly, the concept of better late than never can be a powerful reminder to be more forgiving and understanding towards ourselves and others. We all make mistakes, and we all have areas of our lives that we wish we could have handled differently. But instead of dwelling on the past or getting upset with ourselves or others, we can use this proverb as a reminder that it's never too late to make amends, learn from our mistakes, and move forward in a positive direction. In conclusion, the proverb better late than never is a powerful message of hope, perseverance, and resilience that can have a profound impact on our lives. By applying this concept to our goals, setbacks, and mindset, we can seize opportunities, overcome obstacles, and achieve success. So, the next time you find yourself feeling discouraged or overwhelmed, remember the power of this simple yet profound phrase, and remind yourself that it's never too late to make a change, learn something new, or achieve your dreams. Thanks for joining us in today's video tutorial, and remember, better late than never. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment and subscribe to the channel.